So I had quite a fit, or I still do. Excuse me. And I thought I could record it. Because it's quite. It was quite a while since I posted. Excuse me. And I wasn't active on Kick also, but I have a request. If you text me on Kick, excuse me, then please say that you're from a YouTube channel, because sometimes I cannot. Excuse me, I cannot tell if it's a bot or a real person. So it would be great if you could just tell me that you excuse me, that you're from a YouTube channel, just so I can accept your message, because I will not text with any bots or something like that. And something else. Excuse me. I'm not interested in any kind of like sex chats or something like that. Excuse me, because quite some people thought I would be interested and did not leave me alone. So yeah, I just wanted to make that clear. Yeah, and that's all for today, I guess. My voice is pretty gone, I'm sorry.